Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have Nikita Porwal. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely crown as you're wearing tonight. How excited are you for the Miss Diva grand finale?
I am really excited to have a new queen in the pageant family of ours. Really excited for it, and all the best to all the contestants.
And do you really feel that time flies like how?
Yeah, the last time we met, I was very newly crowned, and I had the first interview with you. Yeah, time really flies, and now to be on the other side of the stage, other side of the world, it feels surreal. I feel so grateful to God for giving me this opportunity to see the entire pageant, how it works, how the things happen. I'm grateful.
What have you learned throughout, during this pageantry world journey of yours?
Well, the one thing that I have learned very strongly is that even the crown, even the title of being the most beautiful girl in the nation can't make you feel pretty unless you yourself feel pretty. So you need to feel beautiful from within in order to feel actually beautiful.
And what is that, I have to ask you that, what is that one thing which you struggled with but you really felt that sabr ka phal or struggle ka phal milta hai aur meetha bhi hota hai?
मुझे हमेशा लगता था पैजेंट जर्नी में कि मैं काफ़ी देसी हूँ फॉर पैजेंट्स. आई एम रियली कनेक्टेड टू माई रूट्स. आई डोंट नो फैशन मच, आई डोंट नो स्टाइल, आई डोंट नो मेकअप मच. तो मेरा कैसे पैजेंट्स में होगा? बट वन थिंग दैट रियली आई थिंक सेट मी अपार्ट वॉज that I was really connected to my roots. मुझ में इंडिया दिखता था because I had this passion to represent my country on the global stage. And I think शायद जजेस ने भी वही देखा, और वही एक चीज़ रही है जिसने मुझे इतना पुश किया है थ्रू आउट हर दिन पैशन के आगे बढ़ते रहने के लिए. तो अब लगता है कि आप चाहे जैसे भी हो, आप हमेशा सीख सकते हो, और अपने आप को एक्सेप्टेंस के साथ सीखोगे तो आप हमेशा आगे जाओगे, और सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है.
And lastly, one fear which you let go from you being a part of this, pageantry world.
हमेशा से चाहती थी कि लोग मुझे देखें, मुझ पर लाइमलाइट आए, इसलिए थिएटर ज्वाइन किया. थिएटर में भी हमेशा आगे रहना पसंद किया, कभी डायरेक्शन किया, कभी एक्टिंग करी. लेकिन एक डर हमेशा रहा कि व्हाट इफ़ मैं उतनी काबिल नहीं लगी जितनी लोगों को लगना चाहिए. और हमेशा एक डर कि क्या मैं मिस इंडिया जैसी लग रही हूँ, क्या मैं मिस इंडिया जैसी दिख रही हूँ. बिकॉज वी हैव सीन ऐश्वर्या राय मैम, सुष्मिता सेन मैम, they were the epitome of grace and glory and beauty. So I always had this fear कि मैं क्या वो लेवल, क्या वो लीगेसी मैच कर पा रही हूँ. फिर आज काफ़ी टाइम के बाद, एज यू सेड, टाइम फ्लाइज, मुझे एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ हो रही दैट you get to follow a legacy, but also you get to create your own legacy, your own version of Miss India. So I'm creating my own story, my own version of Miss India.
Thank you so much for your lovely time and all the very best. Thank you.
So much for having me.
Namaste. I have Ritika Khatnani who is going to join me on my special TikTok with her. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to see you, and I could see a lot of confidence speaking with this outfit.
Thank you.
How much time did you take to get ready?
2 hours. Really? Yes. Hair and makeup is 2 hours long, so yeah.
And you could see that you are making a lot of noise on your social media with your amazing dancing skills.
Thank you.
How did you adopt that, and tell us something about it?
So ever since I was a little girl, I've always had the affinity of dancing, and I've loved dancing. I used to wear my mama's sari and dupatta as a sari and perform on Barsuri Megha Megha, and I've loved Bollywood. It's in my blood, and I love dancing. It makes me happy.
And when it comes to being a part of the pageantry world, be it Miss Diva, be it Miss India, what is that one memory which really stays with you forever?
One memory that stays with me forever, the winning night. That's always going to stay. But I think the friendships that I've made, especially in my international pageant, they're all my sisters for life. I always say this, I have a house to crash in every country, because that's the bond that I share with each one of them.
And what is that one topic about your profession which you really get emotionally connected with?
About my profession, I think it has to do with the movies. What brings me emotional is, I think, when I think about the time I'm going to be at an award show at Filmfare or the Oscars, and just that moment to see, being nominated for something and probably winning is going to make me extremely emotional.
Lovely chatting with you as always, and thank you so much for your lovely time. Thank you. I have Shreya, so join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to see you, and pleasant you look. I must say that literally I'm loving your makeup. I love the outfit what you're wearing. How much time did you take to get ready today?
Honestly, not more than, I think, an hour. Yeah, I'm used to it.
And I have to ask you, being a part of the pageantry world, now you're a part of the Miss Diva grand finale. How does it feel? And tell us something about it.
Amazing, very nostalgic, honestly, every time I attend a finale of any of the coming years. It's just so beautiful because I just reminisce. I am hit by a wave of nostalgia. Yeah.
And what are your memories which you have had, being a part of the Miss Diva and the, probably the world of the pageantry world?
You know, when I was 18, I won Campus Princess, and that used to basically get us a seat directly into Miss Diva. So I've had my own share of amazing memories for Miss Diva, and I'm so excited for the new turn that they've taken for this year, and really looking forward to it.
And lastly, I have to ask you that what is one thing about the glamour world, about the entertainment world, which kinds of emotionally connects with you?
That we can reach so many people. I think that's just beautiful. The fact that whatever I say or believe in has the power to reach so many billions of people across the world. Just that, and the love that I get from them constantly.
Well, lovely chatting with you, Shreya, and looking forward to see more of your work. I have to ask you that after the pageantry world, are you stepping into the world of entertainment, into the world of movies? Tell us.
Most definitely, that is the only plan. And please give me your blessings, your love, so that you can see me very soon.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shreya, for your lovely time and all the very best.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.